Cynthia Peña. We're here at the laundromat in Newtown today. Thank you to the Patterson Foundation. We're doing free laundry today.
Just came in just to do a little laundry so I don't have to worry about it throughout the week. I'm just so happy it was the free day.
When you walked in today and you discovered that it was free laundry day, was it a surprise?
Yes, and I was happy. It was a blessing to me and blessing for everyone to have free laundry done. You never know, what condition or what situation a person's in.
Because there's some people right now that are in a very bad spot, and this is what we needed, especially for the kids. It's been really hard lately, so to wake up and just see it, like I just woke up out of bed and saw the post, and I'm like, you know what?
A friend of mine called me and said it was free laundry day, and I need to do laundry now for a month and a half. I'm tired of going to Walmart buying a new T-shirt or underclothes every other day. So I needed to watch. You guys are great. You guys are so amazing.
We've been here more times than I can count. And although we've done thousands of loads of wash, really what we've done is shown our neighbors that we care, and we've spread joy.
Love to see those smiling faces. Everybody's very happy because they come and hang out with us, and we also thank you to the Suncoast Campaign for grade level reading. We have free books for children, so they come, sit down, have some snacks, and we read to them. Washing the laundry is very expensive.
$10 for a load of laundry is a lot of money.
So we love to hear all the stories about people saying that thank you for us covering the laundry expenses, and obviously they also save money to pay some bills.
My name is Renee. I'm one of the family navigators with First 1000 Days. I'm here to connect with the families and see what resources we can connect them to throughout pregnancy up to the first 3 years of their child's lives. We're giving diapers away because we know that that is a huge need in the community. So we want to give what we can, and we have books as well, coloring pages and crayons for the little ones to keep them active while they're here.
I was in the house grieving, just depressed, sad, not wanting to do anything. But seeing that, I'm like, I could come here and see people that want to help, that have good intentions, that don't mind giving back. And it's a pure blessing. You're not forcing us to take it, that you're really truly giving it back to the community. And that means a lot to me.
No organization show the community this much love. I'm talking about everything in here is free. Like, that's amazing. And then not just that, they even have an area for the kids to play and read books, something constructive. Like, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Thank you very much.
You came the right day. You guys came the right day. Okay, take care.
We've turned a laundromat into a community hub.
All the machines are taken. It's really busy in here right now.
With friendships being made, jokes being shared, and a general feeling of hope and goodness. What could be better than that?